Les pronoms COD means the pronoun COD. Les compléments d'objet direct COD. The complement of direct object. We call it COD. Now, here we have le, la, les. A pronoun COD replaces a noun that has been introduced before in the speech instead of repeating something. So we can replace them. This is third person of singular, and this is third person plural. Meaning what? When you introduce a noun, you have to replace it with a pronoun for you to not repeat the noun once more. Like if I said, do you have a pen? You have to say, yes, I have it. You don't need to say, yes, I have a pen. No, you are replacing a pen with it. Okay? So, in this case, we have these three. Le, la, les. They look like articles définis, but they are not articles here. They are pronouns. So we are going to put them into use to see how it works. Okay?